Yeah. Okay, guys. Today we'll be seeing this lab is getting started with Vertex AI Gemini API with cURL. Okay, in this lab, we'll be you are working on the prompts like Python codes to work with Gemini APIs and how the prompts will be given from Gemini APIs. Okay, now let's start our lab. Open the console and incognito window. Yeah, let's start with the task one. Here we need to open our notebook, Jupyter notebook. Okay, for that, go to this Vertex AI. This notebooks, click on Workbench. And now go to the user managed notebooks. Okay, now open the Jupyter Lab. Okay, yeah, we have already 3 folders for generative AI. Just open the first one, first folder, generative AI. And here, open Gemini. Okay. The Gemini, we need to open the getting started. Click on getting started. And here, Gemini chart. Gemini curl. We have to open Gemini curl, intro Gemini curl IPNB file. Just double click on this. Okay, these are just copyrights like commands. Just on this. Okay, and in this lab, we'll be using the Gemini APIs like models, Gemini 1.0 and Gemini 1.0 Pro models. This is Gemini 1.0 Pro and Gemini 1.0 Pro models. Okay, now, first of all, we need to authenticate our notebook with our Google user account. So just run this command. Here, to set up our cloud project, we need to replace our project ID and our location here. Okay, just copy our project ID, replace it here, and also the location. You see, it is US West one. Change this location. Okay, now let's run this code block. Now we'll be replacing our project ID and locations into the environment variables. Okay, and we will be enabling our Google APIs into this Jupyter notebook. Okay, we have successfully enabled. Now we'll be using the Gemini 1.0 Pro model. Okay, here you can see like this, we have given the content like user. Here it is user role user, or sometimes it will be your more model. If it is role user means we are giving the prompt. If it is role model means the model is giving the prompt to us, like it is the response. If the role is user, we will be giving the request, and if it is model, we will be getting the response. And we are giving the prompt as why is the sky blue. Okay, and we are also using the endpoints, like these are the API endpoints. This will be our project IDs and location of our project IDs. Okay, now just run this command to see what is the prompt, what is the result of why it is sky blue. given by the model Gemini 1.0 Pro. Okay, sometimes it shows like this. Need to run these commands very fast. Yeah, we have also copied like project ID, remove this phrase. Sorry guys. Okay, and the response of the model will be in the JSON format, JSON object format. Like once the prompt is creating the tokens, it will replace it with our prompt. So it will be like first JSON object, like first token will be the, and the second token is sky appears blue because of the phenomenon called like this. This is the second token. For each token, it will generate a JSON object and it will display to the user. Okay, the first token is here and second token is here. These are the safety ratings. Like if there are, what is the response, like how is the response is related to our content. These are the details of the of that model. Okay, and okay, this is the content. This is also a token. Like for each token, there will be like categories, and these are the contents of that. Okay, this is another token. Like for each token, it produces, it will directly display our token like JSON object for us. Okay. So it has given like the prompt tokens, like 6 tokens are produced in this prompt. And the token count is 170, like 170 letters are used. Okay, and the total is 176, like token count, and also the candidate tokens are just 126, 176 total. Okay, guys. And here in this, we'll be using like Gemini 1.0 Pro Vision. Gemini 1.0 Pro model will only take text prompts, like only like the text we have given. For that, it will generate the outputs. For the Gemini 1.0 Pro version, it is a multi-model, like it will take images, videos, and text and speech also as input and gives the response in the text format. Okay, for this here, we are using a image. We are giving the model a image. This Felice cactus cat on snow image. For that, okay, we are giving the prompt as describe this image. Okay, and these are the properties of the prompt we should get. This is the temperature, like what is the gap between the token selection. If it is very high, the response will be unambiguous, like it won't be clear. It should be like 0 or 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.5. It should be less than 0.5 so that the response will be very clear to us. Okay, this is the max output token. Like these are the maximum output of the tokens. Like we can create only 2048 tokens only. Okay, now just run this command, and these are the safety settings. If it is like any nude content is there in the image, it will show errors to us. Okay, now just run this block. Okay, it has produced like this. This is the photo of cat walking in the snow. The cat is brown, and this is describing the image. Okay, and that is the token 1, and this is the token 2. Okay, the response is given in only 2 tokens. Okay, and now we are giving, like you can see, we are using user mode role and also the model role. Here, the first user has given the model has hello. The model responded to the user for the hello is hello. I'm glad you could both make it. Okay, and for this, the user has responded as, so what is the first order of the business? Based on this, the conversation, the model has to produce the output to the user. Okay, let's see what is the output for that. Okay, as you can see, it has given produced the first token as I, and the second token is here. I am glad you asked. The first order of the business is for you both And the third token is continued here. Is to introduce yourself, please state your name and pronouns. Okay. And this is at token 4. And now it is completed here. And now we'll be using the function calls, like function declarations here. Here we will be declaring a functions. Function name is find names, find movies, and we are representing another function, find theaters. Okay, for functions find movies, this is the description, and these are the location, like this is the location of the movies. And for the find theaters, this will find the theaters. This is the description. These are the parameters. Like parameters we are using is location. What is the where is the theater location is. And also we are using the another function get show times. Like these are the movie show times. And this is the description. Okay, and the location. Where is the location of the shows we are playing. Okay. And we are given the prompt as which theater in Mountain View show Barbie movie. For this, the model will implement one of the function call. Here we are asking which theater. So the model will automatically go to the function find theaters. It will find the theater where the movie Barbie is showing. Okay, just run this block. Okay, you can see the movie. It is Barbie and its location is Mountain View. Okay, we have function called is find theaters. The model will automatically call based on your prompt given. Okay. And now we'll be using the model from here. We have used only text prompts. From now onwards, we'll be using the multimedia prompts like image and videos. First of all, like we need to import the image, the cat image here. So just download that from the Google Cloud Storage. Okay, and now for the image we have downloaded, we will be describing like, is it a cat? We are giving the prompt as it is a cat. Okay, and we are giving the data as data, like it is the image of the cat, and the type of the image, the type of the data we are given as JPEG image format. So it should be clearly mentioned. And this is the path of where our cat image is stored, and the prompt is it is a cat. For this, the model will try to analyze and give the response to us. You can see, yes, it is a cat. The model responded as it is a cat. Okay, and now we'll be generate text from image, like we'll be giving the like describe this image. We have changed the prompt like describe this image, and we have also given the some configurations. The temperature is 0.2 and maximum tokens and candidate count tokens, and the security settings. If category like it is any nude content is provided, we should show some the errors to the user. Okay, we have given the prompt describe this image. Let's see what will be the response. You can see this is the description of the image given by the prompt. And this is the photo of a cat walking in the snow, and the cat is brown and white. Okay, this is the token 1, this is the token 2. Okay, that's it. And here we'll be using the video file. So for this, the MIME type we have given is video MP4. For the images, it is image/JPEG. For videos, it is video MP4. And this is the URI. We are accessing the video from GitHub repository. So we are be using the file URL, not the data. Okay. And the text is answer the following, like we'll be giving the question, like answer the following questions from the video. Like what is the profession of the main person and what is the main features? For these questions, let's see how the model will respond to us. Okay, here first question is what is the profession of the main person? Okay, it has given the person name is Sheikh Shimda, and the profession is photographer. And for the second question, what are the main features of the phone highlighted? Okay. This is the phone. Like, so for the second question, the answer is the brand is Google and the model is Pixel 8, and the features are described here, like video boost, night slide. Okay, and if we these are just JSON object, if we print the objects in a text format, it will be displayed in a paragraph manner. Okay, and that's it, guys. Here we have worked with both Gemini 1.0 Pro and Gemini 1.0 Pro Vision models. Okay, you can go through the course again and you can change the values and you can do your own operations using these models. Okay, just go to the lab here. After completing this, just go to this console. Just check your progress. And just wait, it will take some time. Okay, here also check your progress. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. We have successfully completed our lab 100%. Okay, now we can just end our lab. Yes, now if you have any queries, please unmute yourself and ask your queries now.